Bula!
I'm staying at the Outrigger Fiji Beach Resort, the perfect getaway for the kids and for the adults. With My Fiji, you'll enjoy 8 nights in a deluxe ocean view room, flights with Virgin Australia, daily buffet breakfast, transfers, and did I mention kids stay, play and eat for free? Plus, you'll receive $3,000 in bonus value, including a $1,000 Fijian wine, dine and spa credit, butler service, plus hand-picked extras like nanny service, spa treatments, themed dinner or firewalking, all from just $2,190 per person. The Bula bonus sale is on now. There's Fiji and there's My Fiji. Visit myfiji.com or call 1300 00 Fiji today.